Hi everyone, welcome to Glow with Gold. Today we are exploring the beautiful Tanishq Hues Collection, a vibrant collection of gemstone gold earrings that celebrates color, craftsmanship and playful design. From graceful florals and elegant peacocks to paisley-inspired motifs and some contemporary silhouettes, every pair in this collection has its own personality, and each one is a wearable work of art. Let's begin. We begin with this graceful pair, curving gold lines and luminous pearl-like accents, and deep green gemstone. Look at the center gemstone. It comes together beautifully in this graceful design. Have a look at the product code and weight details. The overall weight is 15 grams, but it still feels comfortable to wear. It does not feel heavy. I'd say it is quite comfortable. Maybe I wouldn't wear this daily, but for festive occasions, these are perfect. Next up, we have this very peppy piece. The tiny floral drops are absolutely delightful. The clusters of colorful gemstones bloom like little flowers here, creating earrings that are just playful, fresh, and full of personality. Up close, you can see the intricate details. Look at those tiny little drops. And here is how it looks. Just so fresh and colorful. Very youthful and feminine design, this one. Now we have a design which is inspired by flowing floral details. It also looks like flowing seashells, and these earrings combine sculptural curves with soft lavender gemstones. This one, the one in the center, that is an amethyst. The design feels elegant, artistic, and just a little unexpected. The other stone, those are tourmalines, and I love how they cut the tourmaline into a pumpkin shape. Gives it a lot of character. And here is how it looks once worn. I love that the little detail is giving some movement here. Earrings are quite big, it frames the face beautifully. Next up, we have this peacock design. The peacock has always been one of the most beautiful motifs in Indian jewelry, and this interpretation is especially charming. Rich pink gemstones highlight the graceful curves of the bird, creating earrings that feel festive while remaining surprisingly wearable. The eyes are made of bright red rubies, and even these tiny pink gemstones have a gold ball at the tips. It's really intricately made. You can see the finishing. And once worn, it looks like this. This can be one of the statement earrings in your jewelry box. Next up, we have another vibrant design. The playful bird motif brings so much character to this collection. The bird is made of lapis. The bright blue stone that you see is lapis. The rest of the stones are tourmaline. Now this bird is perched above clusters of blush pink gemstones. The leaves are textured. You can see the finish here. And the little birds add a sense of movement and joy that makes the design impossible not to smile at. Once worn, it looks like this. The movement made the design come alive. Look at how the bottom part is moving beautifully. Now I am showing you one of my favorite pairs. The graceful scroll work here almost resembles the arches of a palace window, while the delicate lavender gemstones and deep green beads add richness and movement. These feel artistic, elegant, and wonderfully distinctive. Up close, you can see the intricate details here. Look at the body of the bird. The stone is nicely carved. And even the vines out there, they are very beautifully polished. This is going to look amazing with your Indo-Western outfits and your boho-inspired outfits. The color is just wonderfully popping in this one. Here we have another popping design. The soft pink gemstones paired with rich green drops and the richest green leaf create one of the prettiest color combinations in the collection. The colors complement one another beautifully, making these earrings feel vibrant without ever becoming overwhelming. And this lightweight earring truly punches above its weight, offering far more presence than its gold weight would suggest. Look at this. Won't you agree that this punches above its weight? Now we have a very traditional jhumka. This jhumka is made with rubies and emeralds. The stud part of the jhumka is nicely geometric and it is accented by little rubies and has a slightly bigger emerald. It is quite lightweight and comfortable to wear. This one is made in 22 karat gold and I love the addition of little gold ball right at the center of the dome. Gives it a very playful movement, perfect for festive occasions and your ethnic looks. Next up, we have another traditional jhumka. This is also made in 22 karat gold. It features rubies and emerald, and I love the tiny floral detailing on the stud part of this jhumka. Little emeralds, and those little emeralds surrounds a tiny little ruby. This is very lightweight and it feels very comfortable to wear. And look at the movement it creates. This can be one of the pairs that you easily reach for while getting ready for any festival. Let me know in the comments if you're loving the contemporary ones or the traditional jhumkas. Moving on, this paisley-inspired design immediately caught my eye. The intricate open work keeps the earrings light and graceful, while touches of this green and emerald, Russian emerald, brings a contemporary freshness to a motif that has been loved for generations. Look at the finishing. I love that they always use Bombay screw. It's much more comfortable, in my opinion anyways. And here is how it looks once worn. I love the tiny green drop. This one has soft colored gemstones, which makes this very muted and even suitable for office sometimes. Here we have the only studs in today's collection, heart-shaped lavender gemstone, which is an amethyst, wrapped in richly textured gold, give these earrings a romantic yet contemporary character. They are elegant without feeling overly ornate. And look at the carving they've made there. Finishing is beautiful. I love the glaze on the 18 karat gold. It almost looks like 22 karat. Very shiny and glazy. And once worn, it looks like this. Perfect for small parties and small occasions. Next, we have another gemstone jhumka. This one is very unique because instead of featuring a regular dome, it features lattice structure and that is all aligned by rubies. You can have a closer look here. See, right? The lattice structure, it gives it a very unique shape. And here is how it looks once worn. So if you are searching for unique traditional jhumkas, maybe you can consider this one. Next in our collection, we have this ruby drop earring. Sometimes simplicity says the most. This one is a beautifully proportioned ruby toned and in shape of a teardrop, framed beautifully by gold. Take a closer look. It has very glazy finish. And here is how it looks when you wear it. Very nice swaying drops. You can even use this for your office and for small parties, for your outings. It is quite versatile. And this one does not look traditional. It looks very contemporary. Next, we have beautiful ruby and emerald earring. The color of the emerald here is almost aqua, and the soft aqua stones arranged like delicate petals surround a central vibrant rubies, giving these earrings a very fresh garden-inspired appearance. And once you wear it, it looks like this. I love that the color creates a beautiful contrast, and I also love the movement on this one. Next up, we have this playful design. When I first saw this, I thought they made a pineapple-inspired earring. Do you think this looks like a pineapple? Because I certainly did. I got so excited to see this playful fruit-inspired design, only to find out that it is not an actual pineapple, but it is beautiful nonetheless. And here is how it looks once worn. I'd still go for pineapple. I'd still say this does look slightly like pineapple. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Next, we have this beautiful garden-inspired piece. Look at the tiny pink blossoms. They bloom against this beautiful emerald green leaves. And the gently curved gold stem gives the earrings the appearance of, a flowering branch swaying in the breeze. It's delicate, feminine, and, just full of life. Very comfortable to wear. Look at the finishing up close. It has very glazy finish, and once worn, it looks like this. I love the movement it creates. Beautiful for festivals. Next we have these long drop earrings. It features rubies and 3 little pearls dangling from each earring. You can see that the gold discs featured here are textured and it catches light beautifully. You can see that as I am moving the earring. Have a closer look here and see how it catches the light. And here is how it looks once you wear it. This also will be perfect for your little parties and small pujas. Look how comfortable they look. We are at the last piece of today's collection, and this one is one of the most playful designs in the collection. Look at the textured gold. It combines with vibrant pink and green gemstones to create a cheerful fruit-like motif. It celebrates color in the most delightful way. I love that there are carvings on the body of the gemstone. It gives a very nice depth and character. And this one, it's not a drop, it is almost like a stud. But it feels really comfortable to wear. Here is how it looks once you wear it. Very nice and colorful pop to your outfits. If I were choosing, I'd pick this one. I just love the vibrant indigo color of the bird and the soft pink gemstones in a cluster. It's just beautifully vibrant. One of the things I enjoyed most about the Tanishq Hues collection was its wonderful variety. Rather than focusing on a single style, it explores florals, birds, peacocks, paisleys, shells, and contemporary forms through beautiful palette of colored gemstones. It reminds us that gold jewelry doesn't always have to be traditional. Sometimes a little color is all it takes to create something that feels joyful, expressive, and entirely unique. I'd love to know which pair was your favorite, and if you enjoyed exploring the Tanishq Hues collection with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me here again on Glow with Gold, where we celebrate beautiful jewelry, thoughtful design, and timeless craftsmanship. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next jewelry showcase. Bye.